Hi, this is Jan with Blues Bird Toys. I'm showing you some little ring foot toys that I've made, and you can purchase them separately or you can order them as a set, except for this one. We have a little tag on a ring, two little stainless beads, a single key, and that's called the car keys. That is also sold separately, and this one is sold separately. It's called the house keys. Then we have another little foot toy. It's also sold separately. So really, this one, and this one is in a set or sold as an option, singular. So that's it on our ring toys. We will come up with some others here at a later date. Thank you for shopping with us or browsing our site. Bye-bye.